Discover the power of deal analysis with myapp.property. Let's look at one of iGrow's notorious negative cash flow liabilities that they like to sell as these great income generating assets. Today we're looking at Meadow Ridge Mews. This is the beautiful new build in the background, 2-bedroom apartments priced at 840,000 Rand. That is quite a nice view of Table Mountain there in the background. But unfortunately, don't get seduced by the pretty brochures. If you're looking for cash flow, new builds are not the way to go about it. Obviously, there's a lot of sales spiel here. They're trying to get you excited about buying this liability. Here is some information about the numbers. So first of all, the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom is priced at 840,000 Rand. The unit size is 53. It's making 6,500 per month in rental income. The monthly levy is 1,344 and the rates are 256. So we have enough information to run the numbers. I'm going to head over to myapp.property to do my own assessment. So on the acquisition side, the asking price is 840. The purchase price will be 840. There's no real negotiation opportunity when you're working with a developer. And I've put 10,000 Rand as the transfer and legal cost because when you want to secure a deal with iGrow, they usually expect you to put that 10,000 Rand down. From a finance perspective, it should be pretty easy to get a 100% loan from the bank at decent terms. So I've used Prime, which at the time of recording this video was 11.75 over a 20-year period, making the bond repayment 9,100 Rand. On the cash flow side, the rent is 6,500. I've added 11.5 as the management fee, which is what iGrow charges to manage their properties. I've put a small vacancy and maintenance provision in place, and then I've added the levies and the rates and taxes. So you can see this property will be negative cash flow of 5,168 Rand. The numbers don't lie. This is a terrible, terrible, terrible investment. Remember, these numbers don't have income tax, and the recommendation both from a cash flow and capital gains perspective is to negotiate a lower offer or move to another property. In the world of property investing, success likes speed, and being able to quickly and confidently analyze deals will give you the competitive edge. With this tool, you can analyze all types of property deals like commercial, multi-lets, and even student housing. Analyze cash flows, understand market trends, and assess risks all with a few clicks of a button. Our tool simplifies data, making it accessible and actionable. This tool will help you save time, it'll enhance your decision making, and you can even learn the insider secrets of the cash flow market in South Africa. Some of the features include calculators, things like transfer fee, income tax, and affordability calculators. Analysis of deals giving you the cash flow, return on investment, internal rate of return, NPV, and all the financial metrics you need to make an informed decision. And with a click of a few buttons, you can generate a professionally designed investor proposal to help you raise finance for your next deal. Take your investing to the next level. Register at myapp.property today.